Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Avionics Tech channel.
The U.S. Air Force is responsible for the transportation of large amounts of vehicles, equipment and personnel around the world. One effective solution for this is by using cargo planes. These mammoth planes can carry huge payloads that other aircraft simply cannot. So, what happens on an average day for one of these monster-sized machines? The C-5 Galaxy is one of the largest cargo planes ever made at full capacity. It weighs up to 420 tons and can travel for 2,300 nautical miles. The C-5 has an impressive maximum cargo load of 140.5 tons and it measures in at 247 feet long and 65 feet tall. Its four General Electric TF39 GE1C turbofan engines give it a top speed of 540 miles per hour. The C-5 Galaxy has been used to transport vital supplies for the military for decades. It proved instrumental in Vietnam, being able to transport 98 of the Army's equipment. Since then, the U.S. military has used the C-130 in every other major conflict. Airmen are regularly trained. In the maintenance of the C-5, to keep it operational, soldiers undergo cold load training to prepare them for future missions. Regular upgrades to the aircraft are expected to keep the C-5 in service until 2040. The C-5 Galaxy has both front and rear cargo openings. This means it can be loaded and offloaded. Simultaneously, tracked and wheeled vehicles can also be driven straight through the cargo area, which makes loading and unloading considerably faster. The Galaxy features a kneeling landing gear system that brings the cargo floor level with the truck for easy loading. Furthermore, the Galaxy has a roller system installed which makes light work of handling palletized equipment. In roughly 90 minutes, it can load 36 fully loaded pallets. The Galaxy has been used extensively for the transportation of military vehicles in Bagram Airfield, Afghanistan. Aircrew loaded not one but three Apache helicopters into a C-5. Each helicopter weighs over 11,000 pounds and is about 18 meters long. Having the option to transport vehicles in this manner is a great logistical solution for the U.S. Air Force. Other forms of transportation such as land or sea can be slower and overall costlier considering its giant size. The C-5 has the ability to take off and land on surprisingly short runways at full cargo capacity. It can take off with just 12,200 feet of runway and land with 4,900 feet. These short takeoff distances are possible due to the four powerful turbofan engines mounted under the wings. The Galaxy features a high flotation landing gear that has 28 wheels tire. Changes in brake maintenance are simplified to the landing gear's ability to individually raise each set of wheels, allowing easy access for maintainers. Once on the ground, air crew and guide cars are used to taxi the Galaxy until it is ready for unloading. The 4 powerful turbofan engines enable the Galaxy the ability to make short turns while taxiing. This is a highly beneficial capability as emergency situations require the Galaxy to land on less than ideal surfaces. At RAF Fairford, crew are going through local trainings to get to grips with the aircraft. Cargo is offloaded from the rear ramp and taken away by truck for onward transportation. Another cargo plane utilized by the Air Force is the C-17 Globemaster. Since its maiden flight in 1991, the C-17 has become one of the most versatile cargo planes all over the world, carrying over 170,000 pounds at full payload. The C-17 can reach speeds of over 500 miles per hour at 174 feet long with a 170-foot wingspan. The C-17 takes off with just 3 crew members. The pilot, co-pilot, and load master. Palletized cargo and military vehicles are loaded onto the C-17 via a large aft ramp, most oversized. Combat equipment can be easily carried into the cargo bay. The C-17 is perfect for dropping supplies by parachute. Paratroopers are also airdropped to their required locations.